Every piece of gum begins deep in the forest, where nature yields its sticky treasure.
Impurities are removed, preparing the gum base for the first processing stage. The base is blended with sweetness and texture enhancers for perfect chewiness.
Sheets glide through the factory, passing rows of giant machines humming to life.
Rolling machines shape the gum into uniform sheets, laying the foundation for extrusion.
The long ropes are sliced into perfectly uniform pieces, each ready for inspection.
Pieces are arranged systematically, preparing them for precise alignment.
Sorted pieces enter the main mixer, ready for complete blending.
Cooling stabilizes shape and texture, preparing ropes for final processing.
The long ropes are sliced into perfectly sized pieces, each ready for coating.
Polishing enhances appearance, giving each piece a professional finish.